Baldy View Regional Occupational Programs Career Training Center opens its doors for its biennial Community Open House and Career Fair, introducing the public to its numerous educational, career, and community resources. 2022 marks the program's 50th year serving high school students and adults interested in improving their employability and preparation for career, advanced learning, and life.
This is Dr. Shelley Adams, and on behalf of her, we welcome all of you here today. Just so you all know, Dr. Shelley Adams has been chosen, selected, awarded by the Association of California Administrators, School Administrators, Region 12, Career Technical Administrator of the Year. And I'd like to bring up to the mic our president, Mr. Dave Niemer.
Thank you to all students, teachers, administrators, and business partners who have worked hard to make this event possible. And special thanks to Dora Edney and her team, who have been the main organizers. Baldy View ROP provides knowledge and training that meet current employment, business, and industry demands. Baldy View ROP empowers students to be lifelong learners prepared for viable 21st century career opportunities. Our courses increasingly meet college and University of California requirements. So at age 50, Baldy View ROP is alive and well, a rolling stone gathering no moss. Happy birthday, thank you.
From the Super Bowl 56 champions 2022 Los Angeles Rams, Terrell Burgess.
Career technical education is an important part of school because it gives our youth what's needed to succeed for life: technical skills, academic skills, and employability skills. Don't forget to have fun today, and go Rams.
On behalf of the California State Legislature and the Senate, I congratulate you.
Baldy View ROP provides career technical education at 19 locations for over 7,000 students within 4 of our school districts: Chino Valley Unified School District, Chaffee Joint Union High School District, Claremont Unified School District, and Upland Unified School District.
At Baldy View ROP, we take pride in serving our students fully, in the classroom and outside of the classroom with the services we offer.
We have many industry partners and local partners to support our students in earning their industry certifications and certificates to be better prepared for the 21st century.
This is a place where education, business, and community connect. We'd like to thank our sponsors and partners for being here today and celebrating with us. Thank you for providing quality career technical education experiences for our students, not only now, but for the next 50 years.
Every student that goes to the Baldy View ROP shows that they increase their grade point average, become confident, are more relevant in their skills and their talents in meeting the industries that are currently in demand.
Today, we are at the open house. We have our mannequins and our various equipment here, and we use all of this equipment to train high school age students how to perform life-saving care.
I'm representing the pharmacy technician course. At the end of our program, our students get a license from the state of California, as well as the opportunity to sit for their national exam.
It's good to have these businesses that actually care and seek out, like coming to a business or a job fair like this, helping our community, helping our youth.
It's an excellent program here in the community for young adults. They give back, they're able to help these young adults, and our program has connected with Baldy View. I mean, it's just a great program.
Today, what we're showing is basically some basic information on the Marine Corps and what it takes to become a United States Marine. Physically, mentally, and overall, you as a person, as an individual. It's definitely great to go ahead and learn all of your options to be able to establish a better future for yourself.
Hello, my name is Michael Ramirez. What really stood out to me is just how prepared like everyone is when they're doing their projects, like how much fun that they're having. Me and my friends, we all get along when we're doing our projects. I would recommend this to other students. You know, it's a good career to go into.
Hi, my name is Joshua Perciato. I'm currently enrolled in the fire technology program. I feel like this program will really help me in my future career as a firefighter. I'm being taught almost everything that a firefighter is being taught. I would recommend ROP to other people that are looking for all kinds of future career jobs like police, medical, dentist. If you're trying to be any of those, I recommend ROP for you.
Baldy View has a team of very committed professionals who have a heart and passion for students to help prepare them for the future.
At Baldy View ROP, our staff have positive passion, we have a commitment to excellence, a focus on results, and we're really rooting for our students to be successful in college or career.
Thank you for supporting Baldy View ROP.